Okay, from a fighting stance, notice he pulls his knee up, but at the same time he pivots and places the side of his body pointing towards his target. This is how he loads up the kick. Now he's going to extend his leg forward and kick with his heel. What I want you to notice is the position of his foot. His toes are slightly down. This means he has proper hip alignment. Slightly down, and at the very least horizontal would be acceptable. Some martial arts systems teach that you strike with the blade of the foot. There's nothing wrong with that. I just believe the heel of the foot penetrates a little better. That's all. Remember as you practice this kick that the energy of it is directed straight forward, as if you're knocking your opponent backward. This is very important because it's a very powerful kick and you can use it to stop somebody who's advancing on you. Alright, another view. Just notice how all the mechanics to this kick just come together in one move. Energy forward, heel striking. This is a very powerful kick, but it takes hours and hours of practice to develop. But if you have what it takes to put in those hours, you will have a nice weapon here.